Number 16. Tumira ng dos. Wala. Rebound by Guerba. Number 28. Pinasa sa number 5. Number 5 to number 22. Wala. Nakuha ng number 13. Pass to number 16. Number 16. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Number 13. Intercepted number 22. Nakuha ng number 16. Trico. Foul.
Remaining time 9 minutes and 25 seconds to
Number
play.
7. Hamalbay. Number 5. Number 5 dribbling the ball. Pinasa sa number 22. Number 22. Wala. Number 13. Pass to number 16. Intercepted by number 28. Guerba dribbling the ball. Pass to Mendoza. Foul. Number 13. Guadalupe. Mendoza on the free throw line. Nice one. Mendoza 2 for 2.
Remaining time
Intercepted
9
by number
minutes left.
22. Number 22. No good. Rebound by number 24, Obilaya. Pass number 16. To Guadalupe. To number 24. Number 24. Akma. 2 points. Akma. Number 24.
Substitution.
Isab lang. Hindi, mas load. Isab lang.
Number 5. Foul.
Sab na.
Substitution ref. Number 16. Foul.
Remaining time 8 minutes and 32 seconds to play.
Trico, second personal foul. Mendoza. Tumira. Wala. Jump ball. Foul. 28. Guerba, third personal foul. Foul. Number 28, Guerba. Guerba, third personal foul. Number 11, for 3. Wala. Nakuha ni number 17. Pass to number 5. Number 5 to number 28, Guerba.
Remaining time 8 minutes to play.
Substitution ref. 28 out, 18 in. Number 25, pass to number 16, Trico. To number 3. Lumabas. Number 11, no good. Number 3 on the rebound. Black. Number 5. Pass to number 8. Number 8, Mendoza. 2 points, Mendoza. Number 5, pass to number 3. Number 3, pass to Trico. Number 16, Trico. Obilaya.
Remaining time 7 minutes and 20 seconds to play.
Pass to number 18. No good. Rebound by number 17. Pinasa kay Mendoza. Mendoza to number 5. Number 5. Dribbling the ball.
14 shot clock to play.
Pass to Mendoza. To number 18. Salvan. No good. Rebound by number 25. Purok Ilaya. To number 11. Number 11. Kasay. Pass to number 16. Number 16 for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 3. Intercepted by Waiko, number 17. Number 8, Mendoza. Pass to number 5.
10 shot clock.
Number 5. Pass to Waiko, number 17.
5 shot clock. 2, 1.
Lumabas. Rebound by number 3. Score 48-27 in favor of Paraiso Dos. Number 25. Pass to number 3. Foul. Foul. Tipasion ref.
6 minutes and 7 seconds to play.
3 in, 3 out. Waiko, second personal foul. Number 25 to number 16, Trico. Pass to number 11, intercepted number 16. Same ball, Elias ball. To 16, wala. Rebound by number 16, Escotido. Pinasa kay Aurelio, number 12.
14 shot clock.
Spin move, 2 points, Aurelio.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 40 seconds to play.
Number 25, pass to number 16, Trico. Trico to Kasai. Dumescarte, wala. Rebound by Escotido of Paraiso Dos.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 20 seconds to play.
Quaison, back to Aurelio.
14 shot clock.
To number 1 for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 25 of Ilaya. Number 25. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Kasai.
14 shot clock.
Kasai, Dumescarte. Number 3. Black. Rebound by Kasai. Nag-fade away. Wala. Rillo on the rebound. Rillo. Pumarunot. Pinasa kay Salvan for 2. Salvan, 2
Remaining time 4
points.
minutes and 40 seconds to play.
Score 52-27. Intercepted by Quaison. Quaison, pass to number 1 to Salvan. Pinasa kay number 1. Back to Salvan. Rillo. Sinet ang bola.
10 shot clock.
Intercepted by number 13. Number 16, Trico. Last touch.
Remaining time 4
Salvan.
minutes and 10 seconds to play.
Time out! Purok Ilaya.